So let's talk today about nucleotide metabolism. So we will in nucleotide metabolism. So you know how many types of nucleotides are there? Purine nucleotide, and then pyrimidine nucleotide. Pyrimidine nucleotide. Okay, purine has small name, larger molecule. Okay, smaller name, larger molecule. You can see this is purine. So you write here first. What you do? I'll tell you. So let me first draw pyrimidine. So you see pyrimidine is this hexagonal molecule and then 2 nitrogen. In between 2 nitrogen, there is middle carbon, pyrimidine. This is called pyrimidine. And when you add on this pyrimidine, this is pyrimidine. On this pyrimidine, when you add this group is called imidazole group. The same imidazole group you will find in also in where? Histidine. So when you add imidazole group on the pyrimidine, it becomes purine. So smaller name, larger molecule. Larger name, smaller molecule. Remember that. So this is base actually, and the nucleotide is made up of sugar, pentose sugar, and then base. These are the base, and here phosphate. So different nucleotides they are different in because in their base. So that is why when we study the synthesis of this structure, first we will talk about the structure. Then if we study the synthesis of both of this synthetic pathway of both of this purine and pyrimidine, then we will automatically understand the synthesis of this nucleotide. We will easily understand the synthesis of nucleotide. So we will talk here synthesis of purine, synthesis of pyrimidine, synthesis and regulation. Synthesis and regulation. Now you already know this is purine ring. Purine ring has one pyrimidine and here imidazole ring. So how do you number? I have given you the numbering. You can number like this. First number like this in purine, and then you number like this. So this is what? This is called, if you see, this is called anti-clockwise, isn't it? It is called clockwise. So this is named like this. This purine is named like this, and pyrimidine is named. So you can see this. These are the purine and pyrimidine: adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, and uracil. So I'll tell you a little bit about this. So here you can see. Do you remember the structure of this? Do you remember the structure of this purine and pyrimidine? You remember the structure of purine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you remember the structure. So that is more important. So you just remember the structure, and it should be this. I always tell you, you don't need to have a very fine structure. Where is double bond? Where is hydrogen? But you need to have that sketch. Okay, this is purine. So adenine has one amino. Adenine has one A group. A is A for amino group here. So what amino group? How do you write amino group? You write amino group like this. Adenine has got amino group, and this guanine will have opposite. So this we will require this. That is why I am writing here. So guanine will have opposite. What guanine will have? Guanine will have here oxo group. Okay, oxo group. But guanine, you will see amino group here. Guanine actually have both group, but at 6 carbon, where here you see the guanine has this in place of amino in guanine oxo group. Yes, you have to remember. Okay, this I don't want very fine sketch. Just you need to remember this group. Guanine has got 2 and opposite of this. So you need to remember this. So it will be very helpful. Now I'll tell you. So I will pyrimidine. For pyrimidine, I'll give you one group. So remember, for pyrimidine, you know this group, don't you know? You know pyrimidine. So you know uracil. 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 You know, uracil is very easy to remember. Both places there is similar thing. As you say in adenine, amino only. Here, both places you will see this. This is uracil. When you add one methyl group, here, this becomes thymine. And you know, uracil is for RNA, and thymine is for DNA. Remember this simple structure. Thymine, thigh for methyl, thigh for methyl. So methylated uracil is thymine, thigh for methyl at 5th carbon. Is it 5th carbon? Yes, it is 5th carbon. Now you remember this. Now, so cytosine. How do you remember cytosine? Let's draw this. All have the similar structure. Cytosine has NH2. Just one difference. Okay, only cytosine has that amino group in pyrimidine. Only cytosine has got amino group. That is why enzyme present is cytosine deaminase. You will not find uracil deaminase and thymine deaminase, cytosine. So we will require this structure during conversion of this molecule to each other. Okay, so you can see, you can remember from this adenine here. You can remember this. And then cytosine, uracil you can see here. Here. Methylated uracil is thymine here at 5th position. And then you can see cytosine NH2. Just replace one with NH2. Okay. So this group, if you remember, it will be very easy for me. So you already know what is nucleotide and what is nucleoside. I don't think I need to explain.